In this video, I will explain how to connect for the first time in online mode to an ABB relay using PCM600. The first step is to open the Update Manager application, which is installed together with PCM600. Within Update Manager, we must verify that the connectivity package corresponding to the relay model and version we will work with is downloaded and installed. In this example, the relay is REL670 version 2.1. Once the connectivity package has been downloaded and installed, we open the PCM600 application. Here we can create a new project or load an existing one. If we create a new project, we first create the substation, then define the voltage level, and finally add the bay where the relay will be installed. To add the relay model, we right-click on the bay, select New, and search for the corresponding device. Line Distance Protection REL670. In the window that appears, we select Online, then choose IEC 61850 to establish the connection through the Ethernet port, and finally specify the communication port and its IP address. We follow the steps of the wizard until PCM600 establishes the connection and recognizes the relay hardware. Once the relay has been added to the project and is connected, indicated by this status icon, we can download its configuration, modify the settings, and upload the changes back to the device. To download the relay configuration, we right-click and select Red from IED. To send a configuration to the relay, we repeat the process by selecting Write to IED. These two actions can also be performed from this window that appears during configuration upload or download. In the next video, we will take a deeper look at the application configuration section.